Alright guys, so real quick, I just want to put this video out there kind of describing the focus of my channel. I know it's kind of a funny name, Charles Builds Crap, but the main focus of this channel is what I do in this shop, which is working in a very small space on a very small budget. I don't have much money. I don't have a whole lot of money to buy these tools and test them, and I don't have a whole lot of money to spend on my projects. There are a lot of people out there that I know even that are like me. They have very limited resources, but they still want to have fun. They still want to have a shop. They want to work on motorcycles or mini bikes or go-karts, but they can't dedicate, you know, $2,000 to get a welder because everybody on YouTube says, oh, you know, don't buy the cheap stuff. It's a waste of time. That's not necessarily true, and I think I've kind of started to prove that with my videos on the Flux 120, the Harbor Freight Flux 125 welder. It's an extremely cheap tool, but it's getting the job done, and I think the test results have been pretty encouraging. So that's the focus of the channel. It's doing things on a budget. I haven't put as much effort into this channel as I could have. I went a long time without doing anything out here, so I didn't get any videos out for quite a while there. But I'm starting a renewed effort to try and get a video out every week. Currently I'm releasing them at 8 a.m. on Saturday. My work schedule varies a lot, so I have to schedule the videos to release Saturday morning at 8 a.m. That way they're reasonably reliable. You know, I'm going to try and stick to that schedule. That means I have to shoot a few videos, kind of like this one, that aren't project related, have them shot and edited out ahead of time, so that if my work schedule conflicts, I get to working too much overtime, I can kind of slot those in. The project videos then are more of a as they're going. Currently I'm waiting on parts for the mini bike and a few of my other projects, so they're not getting done, so I'm kind of doing these other types of videos, reviews and whatnot of tools that I've bought recently. I have a few other tools here that I've had for a few years that I want to kind of review, so I hope to work those in too, to fill space when I don't have parts or time or whatever to get out here and work on the projects. And that's really about it. Just kind of me stating a renewed commitment to you guys. I invested in a little more video and audio equipment here this year with some of the tax money. Got a new camera. I'm testing out different microphone options. Having some trouble with the lapel mic at this point, but hopefully we'll get that down. If not, I've got a better mic up here by the camera, and hopefully that'll work. Thanks for watching. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, now's a good time. Go ahead and click down below and subscribe to my channel if you would. Thanks. Have a good day. Don't forget, we'll have more giveaways. 500 subscribers, 750 subscribers, and 1,000 subscribers. The prizes get bigger. At 500 subscribers, it will be $50. At 750 subscribers, it'll be $75. And at 1,000 subscribers, it will be $100. So the rules will probably be very similar for the next one. You know, I'll make an announcement video when we get there with all the rules. Comment and subscribe if you like my content. There's a lot more to come. Bye.